Hello, and welcome to the third video in this tutorial series on Mountains, Digital Surf's industry standard software for profiler and microscope data analysis. In this video, I'm going to show you how operators work. In Mountains, operators are tools used to modify a studyable. They are grouped into categories in the Operators tab: Adjust Position, Correct, Filter, Extract, etc. All operators work in exactly the same way. First of all, a dialog opens to let us choose settings. Once we click OK, one or more studiables are generated in the document. The dialog is of course specific to each operator, but all dialogs follow the same logic. Let's take an example. Here's a profile. The angle of my workpiece was not quite horizontal when the measurement was made, so I start by correcting this angle with the Level tool. The dialog is divided into several different zones. Here we have the original studyable, the different options available for leveling, and a preview of the corrected studyable. Depending on the method I choose to perform leveling, I can access more advanced options to obtain a more precise result. The calculation method I choose will depend on the studyable's characteristics. Once I've defined my settings, I click OK, and a new studyable is generated in the document. Let's take another example. Here's a surface which contains outliers. These are incorrect values generated by the instrument during measurement. It's important to remove these before carrying out further analysis. So let's go to the Operators tab and choose the Remove Outliers operator. As with the level operator we saw previously, we have three distinct zones in the dialog: the original studyable, the options available for removing outliers, and a preview of the corrected studyable. As in the previous example, I choose the method that's best suited to my data and to the desired result. Then I choose the studyable or studyables that will be generated as a result of applying this operator. Once my settings are defined, I click OK, and my new studiables are generated in the document. In Mountains, there are operators for a multitude of different processes. From data correction to profile and area extraction, as well as the assembly of several studiables into a single one. If you'd like to learn more, check out the next tutorial in this series.